In this second part of getting started with InDesign, we're looking at how to add some extra design elements and include your school logo in your poster. File open. Let's open the poster from last time. To start with, let's find the rectangular frame tool and click to hold and draw a rectangle up to File, Place. Find your school logo, looking for Object and Fitting. You want to fit the contents of this box and keep the proportions. Using the selection arrow, pick up your school logo and move it around to an appropriate place. Let's grab this blue rectangle shape. You can see that's hidden behind the photograph. I'm going to bring that down just a little bit to add some colour at the bottom of my design. Choosing my text box, double click, drag to highlight the text. Up to my swatches palette. Making sure my text is highlighted, I'm going to make this text white. Back to my selection arrow, clicking on the blue box behind, let's drag that down a little bit further. I'm going to add one more piece of text. Up to my character palette, choose a slightly lighter weight font and a slightly smaller size, so I'm playing with hierarchy of information. I'm going to click and drag a box out here and paste a quote that's relevant to my poster. Using the selection tool, I can pick that up and move that into place. Close the palette, deselect, and hit W on the keyboard to have a look at my poster. W to bring back the guides. Going to add some extra design elements using the gradient tool. Start by using the rectangle frame. Draw a rectangle box at the top of your design. Double click on the gradient tool. Choose a linear gradient. Find your swatches and drag the blue colour into your gradient. And close those menus off. Going to make a second one. Draw another rectangular tool at the bottom. Double click on my gradient. Again, let's drag the blue into there. This time, let's change the angle so it goes the other direction. And whilst that's selected, up to Object, Arrange, and send that to the back behind my text. Move your palettes out the way, W to see what my poster looks like. Let's go up and save. Save this file, replace. Now we have a new version. I'm also going to export this file as a print file. Library poster. This is my print high quality version, just this page. I can also export as a PNG, which is perfect for sharing on the internet. Export all pages. Don't need to worry about a transparent background, and hit export. And there you go. I hope you've enjoyed getting started with InDesign.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to explore more free online professional development on the Adobe Education Exchange. And click the link on screen to subscribe to the channel for more videos.